Hello, Mr. Ben here. So let us start learning Blender. In introduction, we are going to learn about navigation in Blender. For the first time, if you open your Blender, you will see something like this, but this is according to the Blender vision that you have. But in Blender 4.0.2, you can see something like this. So you have to click here, and now what you see in front of you is what we call Blender interface. This is Blender interface, but here at the center we have the scene. This is what we call 3D viewport. Here we can do many things. All things that we are going to do in Blender will be done here: modeling, texturing, rigging, animation, etc. There are so many windows. Others we are going to discuss later, but for this time let us discuss this. There are so many. At the top we have layout, modeling, sculpting, UV editing, etc. Here we have this window, editing window. We call it outliner. Here we have this, what we call properties. Again, here we have this, we call it timeline, and this is toolbar. Okay. But if you click N, you see something here. You see different transformation and other things like this. This is what we call properties shelf. If you want to hide it, you can click N again. Okay, let us start navigating in Blender. Here we are going to learn how to rotate things, grabbing the whole object, etc. By starting, you can hold the ring at the center of your mouse. Hold the ring and try to move up and down, left and right. You see changes like this. So this is how we are interacting. We are rotating object in 3D viewport. Let us learn how to zoom in and out. Scroll the ring at the center of your mouse like this, so you'll be zooming in and out. Or you can hold the control and the ring at the middle, then move your mouse up and down like this. Or you can use this icon, left click, then move your mouse like this. Left click, move your mouse. And sometimes you want to move the whole scene, like you want to see this side like this. So in order to move the whole scene, you have to hold shift and the ring at the center of your mouse, then move your mouse to the direction you want. You will move the whole scene. Or you can use this hand icon, left click it, then move the whole scene like this. But sometimes you can move the scene and object to be seen so far, so you will be struggling to come back at the center like this. But we have a shortcut way to come back at the center as default. To do that, you will hold shift and C. Maybe the object is there, so instead of zooming like this, you can hold shift and C, then the object will be here at the center. Okay. We have this icon here. This represents camera. We have our camera in this 3D viewport, which is this one. Here we can use this to capture pictures and recording some video, or all things that are taking place inside the 3D viewport. So if you want to see what camera see, you have to click number pad 0 like this. Here you can see what camera see, but maybe you are at this side. This is what you see, and you want the camera to come at your side, then to see what you see. So camera will follow you. You will start to see what you see. Camera will see what you see. Okay, sorry, I'm not good in English, but I will ensure you are understanding. So you want the camera to come at this side, so you have to hold the Control, Alt, and 0 like this. Now the camera will see what you see. In Blender, you can click this icon to get out of the camera. So in Blender we have different view. You can view object when you are here, or when you are here, or when you are here. So in order to see a perfect side, you have to come here, then viewpoint. You will go at the top of your object like this. So let us delete this and add another object that will help us to see the specific side. In order to delete this, left click to select, then X delete option will come, then you will delete. To undo, as usual, Control Z. Okay. Another option to delete the cube, you can left click like this, left click. After change the color outside the object, you are going to click delete. Here it cannot ask you like first when we use X. Okay, so let's add another object that will show different sides. Adding object in Blender, we are clicking Shift A, then we choose the mesh or the object. Let us add monkey like this. So this is Susan Monkey. Okay, so you can go to the view, then viewpoint. If you want to see the front view, you will see like this. If you want to see what we call back view, you will do like this. Or you can use these shortcuts. We have number pad for the top, Control number pad for the bottom, number pad 1 for the front, then for the back you can Control number pad 1, right number pad 3, left Control number 3. So you can practice 1 front view, Control 1 back view, 3 left, then Control 3 right of an object, the right side of an object. We have 7 at the top, Control 7 at the bottom side of your object. Okay, so when I'm clicking this one, this we call front orthographic. Okay, but if we click 5, we'll see the front perspective, so you will understand it later. For today, let us end here. Congratulations, you have learned Blender as introduction. Thank you very much.